Have you ever felt a sense of disconnection from someone who once meant the world to you? A gap that words can't seem to bridge, leaving behind an ache of uncertainty? This phenomenon, known as estrangement, is more common than we realize, and yet it's rarely discussed openly. Whether it's between family members, friends, or even romantic partners, estrangement has a profound emotional impact. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of estrangement. What it is, why it happens, and how it shapes our lives. Stay with me, because understanding this hidden emotional divide could bring clarity to your own relationships. What is estrangement? Estrangement refers to the emotional distance or severed connection between two people who were once close. It's not just about physical separation. It's the absence of emotional intimacy, trust, and communication. While estrangement is often associated with family relationships, it can occur in friendships, romantic relationships, and even professional settings. Unlike a simple argument or disagreement, estrangement is deeper and more prolonged. It may involve a lack of contact for months or even years, and in some cases, it's accompanied by unresolved feelings of anger, betrayal, or sadness. Why does estrangement happen? Estrangement is often rooted in a complex web of factors. Here are some common reasons. Unresolved conflicts. Small disagreements can escalate over time if left unaddressed, creating a chasm that feels impossible to cross. Value differences, clashes in core beliefs, cultural norms, or life choices can make maintaining relationships difficult. Harmful behaviors, betrayal, abuse, or neglect, whether emotional, physical, or financial, can irreparably harm trust. Unrealistic expectations. Relationships often suffer when one party feels their needs or expectations aren't met, leading to frustration and withdrawal. Estrangement doesn't always stem from dramatic events. Sometimes, it's the accumulation of small, unresolved issues that push people apart. How does estrangement impact our mental health? Estrangement can be deeply distressing for all parties involved. For those who experience it, the emotional toll can manifest in several ways. Loneliness. Even if the estrangement was a conscious choice, it often leaves a void in one's life. Shame and stigma. Many feel embarrassed to admit they're estranged from a loved one, fearing judgment from others. Guilt and regret. Estranged individuals may replay past events in their minds, wondering if reconciliation is possible. Grief. Estrangement can feel like a loss, similar to mourning the death of a relationship. Interestingly, the pain of estrangement isn't limited to the one who was left behind. Even those who initiate the distance often struggle with feelings of guilt and doubt. The role of boundaries in estrangement. Boundaries, or the lack thereof, play a significant role in estrangement. Setting healthy boundaries is crucial for maintaining relationships, but when boundaries are crossed or ignored, relationships can quickly deteriorate. On the flip side, estrangement can sometimes be a form of self-preservation. For example, distancing yourself from a toxic or abusive relationship may be necessary for your mental and emotional well-being. While this decision can be painful, it's often made out of a need for self-protection. Can estrangement be reversed? While not all estrangements can or should be mended, reconciliation is possible in some cases. Here's how. Acknowledging pain. Both parties must be willing to recognize and validate each other's feelings. Open communication. Honest conversations can help rebuild trust and understanding. Setting clear expectations. Rebuilding a relationship requires mutual effort and a willingness to respect each other's boundaries. Therapy and mediation. Professional support can provide a safe space to navigate difficult emotions and conversations. However, reconciliation is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Sometimes, accepting the estrangement and finding ways to heal independently is the healthiest path forward. Finding healing in estrangement. If you're currently experiencing estrangement, know that you're not alone. Here are some steps to help you cope and heal. Seek support. Whether it's through therapy, support groups, or trusted friends, sharing your feelings can be incredibly cathartic. Practice self-compassion. Estrangement can be emotionally draining, so be gentle with yourself as you process your emotions. Focus on what you can control. You can't change someone else's behavior, but you can work on your own healing journey. Find meaning. Use this time to reflect on what the relationship taught you about yourself and your values. Estrangement is never easy. It's a deeply personal experience that requires time, patience, and a lot of emotional work. But here's the thing. Estrangement doesn't define your worth, nor does it mean the end of growth and connection in your life. By understanding the root causes and impacts of estrangement, you can find ways to heal, whether through reconciliation or self-discovery. If this video resonated with you, or if you've experienced estrangement in your own life, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. Remember, your emotional well-being matters, and every step you take toward healing is a victory. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.